Hello, I'm in a 2012 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and your display's all booted up. And then for these particular connections, we're going to use your voice controls to do this. So I'll hit this, and in a moment we'll walk through the voice prompts. And so it's first going to start to try to connect to your phone if you previously connected, which I have not, so it's going to fail here in just a moment. And there's a limited number of phones you can have stored, so you might need to delete a phone first. Add phone. So Bluetooth on. Pair. So it's a little quiet, but we're looking for my car, and we're gonna have a pin of 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can double check the pin here as well. So we just had my car pop up. Sometimes this takes a few tries of restarting your phone or the car, but it came up right away this time. Usually does. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These other options, you can connect your phone books and things as well. Clay's phone. Yes. All right, so that's it. So now we're connected, so you can take phone calls, text, things like that. You can sometimes play music on newer models. Sometimes you can also sync maps and things like that. And a way to double check if yours is compatible for playing music, if there's an aux button, you can click through that, or a media button, try that. But here we'll click through the aux options. And it looks like there's no Bluetooth except look at that would pop up. You can also check under setup and your audio. This is just to adjust your speakers. But usually your aux button, if you do have Bluetooth on your particular model, you'll see it pop up if you keep clicking that, or like a media. But it doesn't look like this particular one has music capability for your phone. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.